Y'all see it? Headed to the car show, St. Louis car show out here in Alton, Illinois at the Alton Amphitheater. Man, it's gonna be a great day. Y'all already know. Unedited, raw. That's how we do it with these videos. Man, I can't wait to see how many vehicles gonna be out there. Let's get it. Shout out to Beeline Towing, sponsor of this show. Still setting up. Saved Ice truck. It's about 9 something, so y'all know. A lot more cars to show up. Yeah. Teamwork makes the dream work. Registering these cars.
The place
Was there, it like park this place up?
Yeah, y'all see what it is, man. I had to have them parked up here. I had to go give me some judges. We all finna be judges. That's it, we got.
Okay, see.
All the way back from Arizona. We don't want him no more though, because he traded on us. But he gonna get in the show with this, y'all. Y'all already know. It's my boy, man. Yeah. Make sure y'all go follow him. Like it up, subscribe, share. Yup. Yeah, we got the audio boys out. Better be game over. They still rolling in. We're gonna do a walkthrough in a little bit, y'all. Yeah, my boy Chris brought it out. Y'all, it's gonna be hard judging this.
You can reach us at 618-744-4.com.
This is my station right here.
Your number one station for the best of R&B and throwback classics.
Put them in the comments. Yeah, put them in the comments.
Y'all know any events coming up, they now, man. I'm not social media. It's such a big place. Brian is what he's calling it. Y'all know something.
That's nasty. That's nasty.
Hey, you got so much shit in here, dog. Like, look at the change, man. Look.
Y'all already know. This paint on this one, no, Mark?
I love that.
I mean, flawless. Look at the paint, y'all.
If I'm not mistaken,
Look at this paint.
this belongs to you, am I correct? What did I tell you?
you do all your work yourself. That's the crazy part.
Oh, yeah. Well, now, yeah, well, as much as I can.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
That's crazy. This mother's so serious.
Like something trying to come out the front.
Yeah. That's nasty. That's nasty, man. That's nasty. Jeez. Yes, sir. Bruh. The only car don't need a commercial. You know what you get. Don't need no commercial. That's hard.
I don't know if y'all get
Sorry I couldn't get y'all a lot of footage, but I've been busy judging, walking around. Everybody need help, so y'all know how it go. But I appreciate each and every last one of y'all. Woo. Judging was crazy this year. Tired. Some people upset, man, but everybody can't win. A lot of people showed up right at the end. It's like we already judged most cars. And I try to be as fair as I can with judging. Whew. I tell you, I need to become a professional judger.
It better be a cat. I hope it's a cat. Champion Georgia, number 4, Champion Georgia.
Now this is my personal favorite. Anthony Camaro, old school. Number 8. Number 8.
Yeah, right here. He already.
65, 70 miles an hour. Hit it.
Chris won a whole lot of trophies with this one. Some of these y'all might have seen, but I'm just going through them while the music is off, so y'all can see all the cars we had out here. Shout out to everybody who came in. Happy pre-Father's Day. This is recorded the day before Father's Day. So I hope all you fathers had a great Father's Day and enjoyed your days. Keep loving those kiddos, no matter how old they get.
It's Monty Troy.
Couple motorcycles pulled up late. Still nice though. Look at that paint. Sheesh. Appreciate each and every last one of y'all. It's been a busy few weeks leading up to this car show, y'all. Look at that cat with the bike. Oh, that's a demon. Where was this at? Where was this one at? I ain't never seen this one in St. Louis. Lambo truck left. I didn't even get to get it. Barrel nasty, that ZL1. Sheesh. I want a drop top. If I get one of those though, just like that blue one. I gotta give me a drop, man. I miss having a convertible. Gotta get one of them ASAP again. They're just so fun. Like this color, y'all. What y'all think about this ZL1? The painted calipers. Ain't a lot of backseat room. Guy was happy about his win. Exactly. I appreciate that. No fist bumps for wins. Cause y'all sure know we get a lot of hate judging. I'm not even a professional judge. I do this out the goodness of my heart. No paycheck. Nothing. So it's all out the goodness of my heart. But you just can't please everybody, and that's okay. Appreciate each and every last one of y'all for tapping in. Let's go see what else we can go see.
I get 2 plastic cups.
Number 36, the teal truck. Number 36.
You got a tow truck.